Hello, hello. I am Pam, and I have a reader comment in my Facebook group that she is creating a bundle and she's going to put it up. But her mock-ups were looking, cluttered, and she just wanted, how do you do it? I figured I will show her very like a basic and then some things that you can do to it. I will include this template underneath the video just because. First thing you need to do is show all three covers very close. You would just, put the images in here. And I am going to make a copy so I can play with it real quick. Duplicate. If I have a journal page, and I would just flip it right over, look at how cute that looks. Okay. And see, and you just drag and drop whatever image, cover image, because you're probably made it in Canva or whatever. Here we have three different, I know they don't rhyme or reason or nothing because I'm just using examples. Don't come for me. Now, to put inside pages, you can do this down here, and it's kind of like a tease. You're not showing them everything, of course, of what's inside, but a little sneak peek of what's inside the pages, and then also a label that says includes 3 printable journals. And the most important part of this is the title. You're going to want to have bundled somewhere in your title, all right? Whatever your journal or planner or whatever it is, make sure that you have bundle in the title. And it's always nice to have it a different font, but you do whatever you want. I don't mind this. And then the journal pages, you can easily just those. I know I have some. I really need to clean up my journal or my Canva. I really do. Here's one. I just put just copy and paste over here. And of course they're not, this is a different size, yeah, there we go. Is it, these ones are different, sorry, that just didn't look right. You just give a little example, they can't copy anything or anything like that. That is how I do this basic one, okay? I'm going to delete this one because you don't need that. And then the next one, I just opened up the label a little bit and put, what I was just using yours for example. If you want to keep that, that's fine. You can change the color, of course, up here. Just change it over here. You can change it to that, whatever works. And then asked Canva a couple things, and there's a couple things that you can do. Now, this one, these I got when I went up to edit, and it said decorate. And all I put in is flower in illustrations. And it did a couple of different ones. And I didn't mind all that, but there was a lot. But I took out a lot, as you can see. So I don't mind this. And using the decorate, that's a new thing. I didn't mind. And then this one, where I said ask Canva. I went up here and I said, it actually just said I will do, or it gave me example. It's not an AI generated background. I just clicked on the button. It said it will do it. I didn't really see it, so I had to ask again. And what it did was add these different little dots and the little lines over here. And I think, let's see here. If detach from see how it's, oh shoot. That's good. Let's see what it does for us. Um, background. All right. And that's all I'm going to put. Let's see what it is. And then the next one, I'll show you what it does too. So it's getting ready. Okay, so what I did is just made it a little darker. I see, yeah, steel. I just made it a little, and that's about it. I did the same thing over here. So that's about all that I see that it did. So I don't necessarily like the Ask Canva, but this little decorate thing. Or let's see if we do magic. Uh, let's see. Let's see what it does here. In Canva, I'm not the best prompter because it just, I feel like when I give it a lot, then it does too much. But that's just me. This is the magic background. Let's see, it's designing a custom background for us. Let's see what it does. So basically, it just related some things. But yeah. Yeah, I'm not. It didn't give me any self-love in illustrations. Let's see here. Watercolor images, watercolor arts in teal, pink, and uh, purple. Let's see what it does. Okay, so I'm not totally upset with it. It didn't give me hearts, but that's it did some kind of watercolor background. So play around with it enough. Oh, there's a heart. I see a heart. It's I don't mind it. There you go. There's a couple ways that you can spice up that template. All right. So I would use either one of these. And then if you want extra, then I would do decorate, and that would go to edit, decorate, or go to Ask Canva and have them describe the background that you would like. I hope that helps. The template is below, and just make sure that you show all three of the covers. You show just like samples of what's inside, say includes, and make sure that you have bundle in the title. I think this will be perfectly fine. And then the other images, you can show each journal um, about, what's in each one and all that. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.